What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure.
Once seated, be sure to lower the restraints snugly to your shoulder. Get ready for an incredible ride. We're here live with the...
Yes, they come for amusement and exceptional conduct.
There goes Hudson, Jack. Ask for the front, Kai. We got one shot at this.
Head back, face forward, and hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Num cookie.
Jack is definitely Hudson. Jack is definitely Hudson. Should we do it again? So we should do it again.
The water sharks were hitting my face and hurt.
Yeah.
And you will soon be back.
Welcome to the Incredicoaster. I'm Elastigirl. For your safety, make sure you pull down on the shoulder restraints and the blocks and things. Keep your head firmly against the headrest.
Oh, that way?
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside out.
What do you think? What?
The water was hurting my face.
I know, it hurt mine too.
I was like this.
Incredicoaster in the rain.
The difference, yeah,